I'm bringing stuff over from the tutorial that was using Next 14 into the one that uses into the T3 app that uses 15. And I'm just futzing around with import aliases because I'm curious or whatever. So I've got two. They look identical to me as far as I can tell. They don't behave identically, and I don't understand why. So I've got this here, and if I do this, in order for this to satisfy eslint or whatever, I need to use that. Now, if I change to at as an alias, I no longer need this. It seems to be bringing it along with it. And then if I go dot dot slash dot dot, I also don't need it, which would imply that somehow the tilde is not as much of an alias. I don't understand what's happening. Um, so yeah, just curious about that.